Hello guys, welcome back to Junbatech's channel. Do you know how to disassemble and remove the battery of a vintage T9 professional trimmer? If you don't know yet, please watch this video. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Remove the switch cover using only your fingernail. Use an insulated stake to push the charger to prevent a short circuit. Now you can replace the battery here by desoldering the wire. Let's test. The components of the vintage T9 professional trimmer inside are as simple as this. Assembling the trimmer. Please watch how we do it. Turn the motor counterclockwise before inserting, to avoid tangling the wire inside. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you can subscribe to my channel and be updated on my next video.